Welcome on YouTube, you know it's your boy Click, man, and you're tuning into Click React. Today we're gonna be looking at Tekashi 69, and this guy over the years has had so many problems with so many people, antics, the trolling he does. I'm not gonna lie, I'm surprised. I don't want anybody to be unalived or anything like that, but it's just surprising that he is still, up and about. But he's here and he's still doing the same shit he been doing since day one. So I guess um he can say whatever he wants because nobody has stopped him. So I'm just gonna be looking at those moments, guys. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe, turn on post notifications, drop a like, and tell me what you think about this, man. Tell me what you think about his antics. Do you find him to be like overly annoying like most people do, or you don't mind him? Because it seems like fun and games, to be honest, but real things are happening behind the scenes with the people that he's dissing. So we're just gonna get right into it as usual, guys. I appreciate you for watching, man. Peace.
Fuck with me, son. Take a look at this shit. Spent the
I don't give a fuck what nobody says. That shit is ugly.
$1 million on the fucking chain, son. Look, and for you rappers that put y'all dead friends on the back of the fucking chain, while y'all put y'all dead friends on the back of the chain, I put baguettes on the back of my chain. Double-sided. Look at me, son. Look at me. See you promoters, you DJs, you scammers, drug dealers, when y'all walk around with the little what they got on, son? With the little rope chain, with the little name.
Bitch back her Cartier bracelet, nigga.
Cartier. Yo, listen, if y'all got Cartier watch, get the fuck out the club when I woke up in the club with this shit. Look at this shit, son. This shit gonna spin for the rest of the video. Gangster. For the rest of the video, this shit gonna spin, son. Take a look at the fucking chain, son. Look. Shit is fucking water, nigga. You little niggas, scammers, drug dealers, rappers, when I walk in the fucking club with this chain, put your fucking chain away, nigga.
Cut the fucking lights off.
Yo,
y'all niggas
bro.
put y'all yo, cut.
Yo, it's crazy to me that he does that, right? Because it's not that he's only dissing people that he originally has beef with. He's dissing everybody when he says shit like that.
Nobody give a fuck about what y'all niggas did 3 years ago. I don't think y'all niggas understand what I was talking about in my last video. What y'all did 4 years ago, 3 years ago, and living y'all raps, y'all don't do. I know that personally. What y'all gonna give me 48 hours?
And we know what you do and don't do as well. There's your boy Treyway right behind you, man. Treyway CEO there that you snitched on.
Yo, wait 2 months. Yo, this thing gonna die. Where I'ma die? Fuck Chief Keef. Fuck Lil Reese. Fuck all them niggas. Fuck y'all niggas talking about, nigga. This fucking Treyway, nigga. I bet y'all niggas pull up to New Jersey now, nigga.
Yeah, that girl said, let me get this dog out of here real quick. I don't want his face to be seen. I don't want him to be like, a barter. Like, that shit is so funny.
Jersey ain't my city, but my brothers is there. You heard me? You know what I'm saying? New York shit, man. This fucking Treyway, man. You know that shit?
It's so funny that these things are still on the internet because, you look how you were screaming out Treyway and these guys fucked you over.
The new death row. Treyway.
What's up, this Slim Danger, this Chief Keef baby mama. I'm out here in New York, and guess what? That nigga don't do shit for his fucking kid.
Yeah, this was wild that he actually went, but I'm assuming he gave her money, right? But it's kind of wild that he got her and that to do this and that she would even do this shit, bro. Because you said your Chief Keef's baby mama, so this is what you're doing to your child's father. Like, that's crazy.
Treyway here, man. If you don't know how to take care of your girl, niggas gonna take care of her for you.
Oh my god, bro. That is crazy. This shit is crazy. Oh shit, I don't know why I thought he grabbed her ass or something.
That shit go right there. It's that Treyway shit. It's that bloody.
That shit is so ugly. Why the lighting in there like that? I would not want to shop in anywhere looking like that.
Luda.
Bro,
Luda.
this guy beefs with everybody. Ludacris, I didn't even remember that this guy was beefing with Ludacris.
Ass, pussy ass, Fast and the Furious geek role playing ass. Yo, suck my fucking dick, Ludacris. Look, this is what you know for.
Wild.
Yo, bro, you irrelevant motherfucker. Hold on. When I was 13.
Yo, I'm not gonna lie, bro. This guy's a master troller. He is.
What the fuck is you doing? Yo.
Yeah.
Yo, bitch, what the fuck you on, man. Chill, bro. You too young for this, youngin. I used to be the man back in the day, you heard?
Yo. Yeah, when he starts on somebody, bro, it's like he gets a whole script of roast that he's gonna do. Like that shit was crazy, bro.
Used to be the man. Back in the
Pre snitch Tekashi, I thought he was funny. I'm not gonna lie.
day, I used to be the man.
That's so dumb.
You don't know about this, bro. You don't know about this. You're a young nigga.
What about this Chief Keef thing, man? You
I'm
heard
a
about
big
that?
fan. I'm a big fan of Chief Keef.
You're a big fan?
How much you think a feature costs from
I
Chief
don't know.
Keef?
Maybe ask him. You know, you guys had some back and forth on Twitter and, you know, Instagram and
Nah,
stuff.
you know, my
It's
account,
all good, though?
Yeah, my account be getting hacked and shit, but I'm a big fan.
Oh, your account was
22.
hacked. Oh, so you're a fan. So you want to collab with Chief Keef?
Yeah, just try to find out how much a feature costs.
All right, word.
That's so dumb.
Ready?
Yo, these guys are dumb, bro. Yeah, this is before he snitched. He could have been moving like this. That was okay. Cause nobody was doing nothing to him. This guy is so dumb.
Yo, play it back.
Yo, he was
Play that
funny.
shit back, man. Play that shit back.
He was funny.
Shut the fuck up.
Yo, he's funny.
They
He's
say
funny.
he
He's
like
funny.
that. They say, shut the fuck up. Play it back.
Yo, this is extra funny because I would sing the song and move just like that. Lamron.
Yo, New York City, we here, right? Welcome.
Yo.
Welcome. Shut the fuck up. Shit. Shut the fuck up.
Yo, why is he putting his hair behind his ears like that? That's a little weird.
Y'all know it, huh? Straightway. Hold on, one more time. Spin it back. Y'all know Chicky been about this. Y'all know Chicky Van been in Chicago. Y'all know he have it. Y'all know he have it. He been serving about 10 years.
This nigga is stupid, bro.
Shout out to Carlito. Shout out to my GDs in fucking Chicago. You heard? Shit. Shout out to Dirk.
Wonder how those shoutouts are going now.
Shout out to all my hitters out there that's like Johnny Flop. Treyway. Yo, y'all remember?
It's so crazy just rewatching that these guys were in his videos so much and they moved like they were his niggas, bro.
Bring it back. Hold on, stop. I don't know when. Hold on. Just hold. You see the fucking vibes? Niggas just got the Dubai
#1 flexer.
on the fucking walking. Don't do that. I spent $50,000 in 10 minutes on the fucking walking. On the fucking walking.
Yo, this nigga really must have been making money,
You
bro.
at the top of the fucking game, this what happens on the fucking walking.
I mean, now
on
you're
the
gonna have to put
fucking
all that
walking.
money back together. That's kind of
Don't
crazy.
do that. Don't do that.
Master flexer, bro.
Don't do that. Don't do that. This is what the fuck it costs to be at the fucking top of the fucking game, bro.
Yeah, this
At the
nigga,
top of the fucking
he
game.
was always great at the
#1
promo.
records. Y'all niggas be falling over before y'all even fucking start. What the fuck is y'all talking about? On the fucking walking. He's bugging out, man.
I'm so confused. Those grills were not it.
We 6 for fucking 6, nigga.
6 for what?
We 6 for 6.
6 for what? Fuck you talking about 6 for 6, blood. 6 for 6.
We 6 for fucking 6, blood.
6 for 6.
Them girls was not it.
6 for 6.
6 for 6.
That shit out
When
here.
I was younger, I got caught in the fucking system.
Come on.
Y'all ain't catch me in no fucking system now, nigga.
It's not happening.
It did not age well.
It ain't
It's
fucking
not
happening.
happening. It's straightway shit.
It's Treyway shit,
We
blood.
gonna step on this shit.
It's straight out the staircase. Hung.
Yo, that one was a tough one, bro. I planned on doing this shit too. For Warzone. Yeah, man, those gunshots are different.
King Von and all his mans was jumping Quando Rondo by himself. You see it? It was on 4K. Facts. Quando Rondo was by himself getting jumped.
It did look like that.
You know what would have happened the next day? Quando Rondo would have been all over the media and his career would have been over. They would have been like, King Von, the real demon, caught a nigga lacking. Right? Because that's your favorite rapper. Lil Tim pull out a gun and shoot
right.
King Von.
Not gonna lie, although this guy's an idiot and he's a snitch, you know, again, you can learn something from everybody. And not that I'm trying to learn from him, but he does say some stuff that makes sense too, and he's right. This is just to back up his snitch shit, to be honest. If we're being real, this is just him backing up his snitching shit.
If it was the other way around and King Von would have pulled out a gun and shot Quando Rondo or Lil Tim, y'all would be like, yo, I told you he's a demon. Son is a fucking demon. I told you he got murders under his belt. I told you he got murders under his belt. Right or wrong? Yo, listen, I'm gonna keep it.
I did not know.
Come here. Look. Stop bringing niggas. Yo, you don't gotta bring niggas. You tough by yourself, right? You tough by yourself, right? Bro, put that shit away, cause when you shit it on yourself, you didn't pull that out.
Man, I don't want to hear that shit,
Shit it on yourself, you didn't pull that out.
Hey, you too internet, bro.
Yo, listen, when you shit it on yourself, why didn't you do this?
Look, fuck that.
Why didn't you pull that gun out when you shit it on
You
yourself?
internet, Shrug.
Oh, this is disrespectful as fuck, bro. I wish he didn't snitch so I could still rock with the fucker he does. I really wish. He should have found a different way to fuck those mans up.
Yo, babe, look at this shit.
It is fuck 6ix9ine. It's fucking Treyway.
You right, babe. It's fucking Bob's.
Yeah. I don't know how this nigga. I don't know how much he paid all these niggas girls to do this fucking bullshit. Cause that's thingy, Trippie Redd's ex, right? Yeah. What the fuck happened to her? But for them to do that to people that they were with, bro, I guess you can only truly hate somebody if you had loved them at a point, man. And maybe that's why these girls actually end up doing this, cause it's kind of wild.
Not like this. No. I'm jealous as fuck. Why am I not there?
You jealous
I ain't get no
right now,
invite.
Hype? You jealous?
Super jealous.
You
I
jealous?
ain't gonna lie. This is wild. This is wild and foul.
Yeah.
Yo.
This was his best friend.
Hold on. I know. I still see the shadows in my love.
Yo, I forgot that the man did this shit, bro.
I love and I hate you, change you, so I must replace you. Easier to said than done, because you are the one. Instead of
Yo, this guy's wild, dog. This guy was fucked, bro. Are you taking it? Oh my god, bro.
The love that I gave you, the love that I love and I hate you, and I cannot replace you, so I must replace you.
This is so wild, bro.
Easier said than done. Why the one? Instead of my head.
Yo, this guy is a psycho, bro.
You forget me.